To commemorate the 10-year anniversary of Kobe Bryant's final NBA game, Nike is rumored to re-release the Kobe 11 Elite Fade to Black in summer 2026. Originally launched in 2016 as the concluding piece of the Fade to Black series, this model honored Kobe's retirement with design details like a stealthy black Flyknit upper, a metallic gold swoosh, and the iconic April 13, 2016 heel stamp. Leaks from Brandon1an and Sneakermarketro confirm a Protro version is expected, retaining the original aesthetics while benefiting from modern cushioning and performance upgrades, aligning with Nike's Protro approach. The comeback of this meaningful silhouette not only preserves Kobe's legacy but also introduces it to a new generation. Though Nike has yet to confirm the drop, fans are eagerly anticipating official images and launch information. This tribute release aims to unite innovation, history, and enduring admiration.